A huge myth is that people think, well, I don't have millions of dollars or I'm not incredibly wealthy, and so I don't need a trust. But the reality is anybody of any net worth can have true benefits of trust documents. A trust document, trust planning, is actually a really powerful tool when it comes to estate planning. It can provide for incapacity benefits, meaning if, for instance, myself, if I became incapacitated later in life and I knew that I couldn't manage my assets, I can have a successor trustee or another individual step into my shoes in essentially a fiduciary role, and they can continue to manage my assets, all without the intervention of a court process allowing them to do so. One of the things that I often do with some of my elderly clients is if they're worried about dementia or Alzheimer's later in life, we're looking at trust planning as a tool to help them continue forward without family needing to go to court to get guardianship or conservatorship over them. We can make sure that their assets are taken care of and that they're taken care of. One of the other large benefits of trust planning is for parents like me that have minor children. My children can't receive assets outright if something were to happen to me and they were little. Those assets are going to be held in trust for them, whether it's created by the court or created by me. But if I create a trust for myself and my family now, I don't have to rely on the court to create that trust later on. And my assets are going to be available to my guardians and to my children right away when they're needed, instead of things being frozen. And I'm setting forth the terms, and my clients are setting forth exactly how they want those assets to be used for their children, what the purpose of those assets are, and making sure that those assets are really available to those children and those guardians when they're needed in a time of grieving.